G'day YouTube, it's Shane here once again, and it's currently very windy and I'm testing a Lavalier mic in very blustery conditions, and I also want to test it to see how long it can last without making the audio issues that were happening in the previous video. Today's an interesting day. I have recently got over 50 subscribers, and 52 to be precise, and I'm grateful for that. I don't have the ability to go live just yet. I don't know how long it takes for that to unlock. They'll probably make me wait 24 hours or something like that, but I'm looking forward to doing that. Not sure exactly what I'd talk about, but I could probably open things up to questions and answers and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, so just walking and talking. I'm on my way to the Sam Nang Bakery. It's the bakery that I talk about all the time, and just to get a bit of late lunch. I could have had a shift down at Noarlunga today or tonight, just to explain, Adelaide has a lot of urban sprawl, so the suburbs can be really far apart, and I'm in the northern suburbs, and Noarlunga is in the south, and it would have taken a good couple of hours to get there by public transport. So when I applied for the position for tonight, and it was only 4 hours work, but any money coming in is a good. It would have taken 2 hours to get down there, 2 hours to get back, but I was waiting for them to confirm the shift and select me, because it's a public tender, so anybody can apply for the position and they've got to make a choice. So in doing so, I realized that I would need to get dressed up in like hospitality gear and then start to catch the train down there before I was even selected, and I just thought, no, they're going to wait till the last possible minute before they select me, so that I would have to have been halfway there before that happened. And that's what, you know what, I'm going to spend today just catching up on the housework and stuff that needs to be done. The housework that needs doing, or the laundry and stuff that I've been procrastinating on doing, and just rearranging my home so that it's a little bit vlogger friendly, so to speak, so I can just do live videos and just set things up properly. But yeah, plus I only had to talk for about 4 or 5 minutes on this particular video, so that I can test the audio under these horrendous blustery conditions. Anyway, I'll stop this from here